and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth. So happy that you are here today. I am part of a challenge today that is hosted by Happiness Created Crafts and Monner's Market. It's called Bloom with Grace. And look, there's a $100 giveaway. Oh my goodness. Stay tuned for some details. All right, so this theme is bees and sunflowers. So this very first DIY, look how cute that is. It's a beehive vase, and I was inspired by Angela Jones. I will leave her channel linked below. Just kind of put my own spin on it. But what I liked about it is she used this particular vase from the Dollar Tree, and I thought the shape of it turned out super duper duper cute. Very, very simple DIY. All you do is take some nautical rope, twine, whatever you'd like, and literally just wrap it around all the way from the bottom to the top. I believe it took me a little over 2 ropes, I want to say. Don't quote me. I know it wasn't a full 3, so maybe 2.5. And yeah, I'm just going to wind it around. When you get to the top, you go a little bit higher than where the glass vase stops. If my head gets out of the way, you'll see. Just so the glass doesn't show. I think that makes sense. You just go another row or so above that. Super easy, right? Then what I did is, you'll see, I just painted on a simple circle, kind of an oval, I guess, where it would be the entrance to the beehive. And I put 2 rounds around the black oval. Oh, I did kind of burn off the little fringes. Please be very, 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 very careful with this if you do decide it, and you don't even need to. I kind of was using this as a little bit of a template, but I didn't do a full circle. I just went top to bottom, took some black. It's actually chalkboard paint. I need some regular black paint, but whatever, it worked. And kind of did a little oval. Circle / oval. Yeah, more like an oval. There you go. And then I wrapped around, like I was mentioning, the rope 2 times. You'll see that coming up. I got the cutest little bees. I guess they're kind of like a hard plastic, maybe acrylic, I'm not sure. And there's 3 different sizes. So there's little teeny ones, medium, and then a bigger one. It also came with some adorable ladybugs, by the way, which I thought were super cute. And so what I'm going to do after I wrap this, I am going to take the hot glue and do the little trick where you just use your hot glue as honey, kind of drizzle it into the entrance and kind of let it drip down. And then I'm going to hot glue some little bees around. They're so cute. And then all I did is I took some ribbon, wrapped it around kind of, not the very top, in between the actual opening of the beehive, the black part, and the top of the vase, kind of in between there. I took some ribbon, wrapped it around, and then just made a little bow and put a little bee. I believe I did put a little bee. Maybe I didn't. I think I did, in the middle of the bow. Yeah, I did. And then just put some sunflowers in the vase. It was that simple, and I just think it turned out so cute. Oh my goodness, you have to let me know what you think. Yeah, and so I'll let you sit back and enjoy the music. I'll be back in just a moment. We'll go into DIY number 2, and then I'll talk about the giveaway.
Useful tricks. Once you get the taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. You'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. And when they do, they'll cherish you. It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me.
Okay, so what'd you think? I thought that turned out really cute. All right, so moving on to DIY number 2. So I picked up this candle warmer, I believe it is. I don't know, wax warmer. I don't know. It kind of looked like a little beehive, right? So this is very easy. Now, I would suggest using Mod Podge first on this little thing that's so slick, and the paint I was just really struggling. And so off camera, I did kind of wipe it all off, and then I used Mod Podge, and then the paint went on a lot better. Okay, so I would definitely do that. All right, so I want to let you know that I will link both the hosts, their channels down below, as well as the playlist of all the talented folks that are participating. You will definitely want to watch them all. We're going to talk about the giveaway in just a moment, okay? Now, let's get back into this DIY. Super simple. I just painted it a cute yellow color. I think it was Waverly Maze. I have this rope, kind of a nautical rope. It's from Amazon. It's a little bit thinner than the DollarTree one, but I did end up kind of breaking it in half, you see. And then, because I'm going to weed it through those little holes on this, I don't know what to call it, candle warmer thing. So I just put some hot glue on each end to kind of help me. And it did help me. And then you can stick your fingers like up there. There you go. And, kind of helps you go through each one of those. Anyway, so I do that and then tie it off at the end, put a little hot glue on it. And then all I do to it is I make a bow. I put a cute little bee in the middle of the bow, and then I literally just hot glued a little sunflower to the top, and then put one of those little votive battery, or I think they're battery operated little candles, not a real one. I mean, maybe you could do a real one, but it would make the top hot, and you have hot glue in the sunflower, so I wouldn't suggest that. All right, there's going to be pictures of both of these at the end, as well as, of course, this one. So stay tuned for that. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready to get into the giveaway details? Again, you're going to want to go through and watch everyone's DIY. Okay. So there's going to be a question that I'm going to ask, and you'll want to answer it in the comments. And then if you're able to, I would like you to put 3 different little cute emojis of your choice. It could be anything, a little sunflower, a bumblebee, just a happy face, whatever you'd like, but do 3 of them. Now, if you are unable to do that, because maybe on a laptop or something, do not worry about that. Just answer the question. You will be entered into the giveaway, okay? There's no restrictions there. You just have to answer the question on my video as well as everyone else in the playlist, okay? And I believe you have till Wednesday evening. I think it's 8 p.m. I'll put it in the description box. Eastern, I believe, 8 p.m. Eastern, and they will be doing the drawing on Thursday. So check community tabs for the hosts. I would go subscribe to them so that you're notified to see if you won the $100 giveaway. All right, so here's my question. My husband is allergic to bees. We love bees. They're so important, right? So let me know down below, are you allergic to bees? Yes or no? And then remember, if you can, 3 emojis. And that's all you have to do. And then, of course, go to everyone's playlist. All right. I really appreciate your time. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. And if you are new here or coming from somebody else's playlist, I would greatly appreciate you considering supporting my channel and subscribing. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. We will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.